Hello everyone, this side Devajay Kapoor. I secured Air 140 in DUJAT 2021. The purpose of making this video is to help my fellow juniors in their preparation strategy. In this video, I am going to give a glimpse about DUJAT preparation strategy. So let's begin. Syllabus for DUJAT. As most of you are already aware, syllabus for DUJAT comprise of QA, quantitative ability, LR, logical reasoning, VA, verbal ability, and GA, general awareness. According to my opinion, I guess QA and LR are the most important ones, whereas GA and VA cannot be accurately predicted, but you need to have a decent accuracy in these two topics as well. Let's move to the next slide. Important topics for quantitative ability: sets, relations and functions, limits, continuity and differentiability, integration, differential equation, area under the curve, progressions and special series, probability, vector and 3D, conic section, binomial theorem, complex numbers, statistics, matrices and determinants, logarithms, inequality and modulus, and quadratic and linear equation, basic maths, which includes topics like time, speed, distance, time and work, ratio, proportion, variation, linear equation, and that stuff. When you need to approach your quantitative ability, you need to first go through your NCERT class 11 and class 12. These are very important. At second stage, you may go to the exemplar provided by NCERT, or maybe some JEE questions that are very simple and conceptual based, because the type of questions asked in DUJAT aren't that tough, so it may not require that amount of heavy preparation. So let's move to the next slide. Verbal ability. The major topics that are included in verbal ability are as follows: reading comprehension, Phillips, antonyms and synonyms. These are very important and form an integral part of the syllabus. Vocabulary. I would suggest you to learn at least 5 or 6 words daily from Word Palm Made Easy. I guess it would be sufficient enough. So when it comes to the grammar, you need to have a thorough knowledge of all the rules to be very specific, nouns, pronouns, articles, etc. Usually, questions based upon rules aren't asked in the exam, but it can be asked in this particular form: key, find out the incorrect sentence out of the given options. So you need to have a conceptual clarity to get through these questions. So the next topic is idioms and phrases. It also forms a very important part of the syllabus for the DUJAT examination. So our next topic is logical reasoning and data interpretation. So these are the important topics: case lists and tables, bar graphs and column graphs, Venn diagrams, line charts and pie charts, calendars, cubes and clocks, seating arrangement, both linear as well as circular, blood relations, ranking, odd man out, critical reasoning. I have noticed many of my friends, many of my batchmates even, used to ignore critical reasoning. But according to my opinion, one needs to go through these topics as well, because it forms a very important part of the exam. Usually, many of us do mistakes in critical reasoning, so one needs to start this particular chapter from the very beginning itself. So when it comes to general awareness, I would strongly recommend to read newspaper daily, because the most of the questions that are asked in business awareness or general awareness are usually covered in newspapers. Specifically, if you subscribe to Hindu or Financial Express, it would be sufficient enough. Next point is read questionnaires provided by coaching institutes. There are many coaching institutes in the market that would provide you with the questionnaires of the general awareness, so you can go through them. And my third advice would be practice, as it's self-understood, because no one can cover 100% of the syllabus of GA. One can cover a small set of it, which may be asked in an exam, or that may be usually relevant. So find out the relevant topics in GA and just go through them. So general tips: believe in yourself. You need to have a strong belief in yourself. Staying consistent. It should not be like कि 2 हफ्ते पढ़ लिया फिर 2 दिन छुट्टी पे. You need to stay consistent enough in your preparation. The next point is self-motivation. You need to be self-motivated. None of your teachers, your parents, your friends can motivate that as strong as that your internal being can motivate you. So it's very important to have self-motivation. So most important, that is usually ignored by many peers as well as many friends as well, कि one used to forget to relax and chill. It is very important to relax and chill as well, bro, because पढ़ाई तो सारे कर रहे हैं, जिनका दिमाग काम और कंपोज होगा पेपर के वक्त, they will only able to clear the exam. So my strong advice to relax and chill and make your mind very calm and composed, meditate. It will greatly help in the examination. So I would wish my all the fellow mates and all my juniors all the best. Hope you make it to the Asia's best undergraduate